Since Surf Air Mobility's CEO Deanna White and CFO Oliver Reeves will present and host meetings at the H.C. Wainwright Aeronext Virtual Conference on December 10th at 12 p.m. Eastern Time, the hope is there'll be more information about their partnership with Palantir, as it will help prove or disprove the hypothesis about a possible connection and intent from Archer Aviation that was discussed in a previous video called Silly Stock Market Catalyst Theory: Why Archer Aviation Could Buy Surf Air Mobility. As of late, Surf's third quarter revenue reached $29.17 million, surpassing expectations by 4.3%, with a 40% year-over-year increase in its on-demand business. The strong results came from a shift to larger aircraft and international flights, boosting revenue per flight by 14%. However, it faced challenges with scheduled service revenue, which fell 7% year-over-year, and posted an adjusted EBITDA loss of $9.9 million. Then, since Surf's future growth is heavily dependent on the development of its proprietary software, SurfOS, it raised $26 million for SurfOS development and secured a $74 million zero-coupon convertible note to refinance debt, improving its balance sheet and extending its cash runway to 18 to 24 months for SurfOS commercialization, expected in 2026. SurfOS, consisting of platforms like BrokerOS, OperatorOS, and OwnerOS, aims to optimize airline operations, enhance customer insights, and streamline flight management. Meanwhile, optimizations around cost reductions have led to exiting unprofitable routes and integrating technology like Palantir-powered tools to improve crew scheduling and aircraft maintenance. While these moves are expected to drive future efficiency, the full benefits of SurfOS are still being realized, potentially delaying cost savings and operational improvements. So as Surf Air Mobility's long-term outlook remains focused on expanding its regional air mobility operations, leveraging technology partnerships, and optimizing its fleet, CEO Deanna White emphasized the company's ability to partner with regional air mobility players like Beta Technologies are positioning SurfOS as a key enabler for the industry. However, with the company still in the early stages of commercialization, investors are closely watching how it navigates near-term challenges and capitalizes on its technological investments. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.